everybody, today I'm going to be making a mystery slime color. So I have all the colors here and I have papers here. So let's pick my paper. I can't wait to see what I get. I got red. Okay, let's dump this all out. Okay, we're going to be making a red slime today. So first we're going to add the glue in. We have white glue to make this a light red. So let's pour that in. Okay. Oh no, I got glue on my hands. Okay. Next we're gonna add some shaving cream. Okay. Okay, that should be good. And then we're gonna add our red food coloring. Okay, let's open this up. That much, maybe a little more, since this might not turn. And then we're gonna mix this up. Oh, this is turning. This is gonna turn pink. I need more red. I need this to be red, not pink. More. I hope this turns red. I know it's gonna turn pink. Yeah, it's pink. See guys, it's pink. More red. Yeah, a lot of red. Oh my god, it's pink. Okay, this is not bad, but it is pretty, but we need red, not pink. I wish we got pink. This is not red, this is pink, so we're gonna need a lot. Maybe that was too much, but I need a red, not a pink. This is nice. This is turning red. Maybe I should have got clear glue, but this is red. Is this red? It looks red to me. It looks very red. It looks like a nice neon red. I love it. So let's get some activator. Okay, now let's pour this in. This is taking forever. Okay, that should be good, but we definitely need more. Okay, this is starting to form. Okay, look at that. That's nice. Okay, that should be good. Okay, look at this. It's coming together. I'm gonna start taking it out. It's still liquidy though. Oh my god, this is taking forever. I need to get every little piece. Okay, that's good. Let's add more activator. Now let's mix it up. It's starting to come together, but it's still sticky. So let's mix this up. This is a nice red. I love this red. It's like a neon red. Okay, let's mix this up. Oh, it's starting to form and get together. So let's start using 2 hands. Oh, this is nice. Oh, it's not getting any sticky anymore. Oh, look at this slime, but it's still a little sticky and there's still more slime that needs to be activated. But it is starting to come together. Look at this slime, I love the color. We also got some fish beads as our topping. Okay, this is a cool red, I love this. Look at this slime, it formed. Let's pick up the other slime. Okay, this is it. Okay, so we need to pick up the other slime. It's still kind of sticky, so I'm just gonna add a little activator. It's a little sticky, so that much. Satisfying. Okay, now we're gonna we're gonna pick up this slime because we don't want to waste this slime. Oh my god, this is taking forever. I love this slime and the texture is so stretchy. This is nice. This does not look like a pink. It looks like a red. Like a very, very, very light red. There, nice and clean. I think we're gonna add a little more food coloring. It is pretty, but we need more. So let's mix the food coloring up. Now let's mix this up. Okay, look at that. Okay, it got a little darker. Here it is. It's so stretchy. Okay, let's put this cap on. It's still a little sticky. We need more activator. Okay, here it is. It's so nice. I love this. Did you hear that? That was so loud and crunchy. Okay, now we need to put our fishbowl beads. I don't really like fishbowl beads, but to make the slime so crunchy, I don't really like it because they pop out. They pop out, but they're so crunchy and then, see, they fell out. But I love this red slime. We're gonna add a little more fishbowl beads. No more. And then we'll mix that up. Oops. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, they keep coming out. But that's okay. They still look very pretty in this slime. I'm gonna pick up that fish bead. I hope there's not any more. But I love this red slime. It's so crunchy. Not that crunchy, but it's nice. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna make a swirl with it. Oops, why are you swirling me? Okay, let's see. Okay, there it is. And then we're gonna add this swirl topping. Oh, it melted. That's okay. That's satisfying. ASMR. Do you hear that click? Oh, bubble. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. Bye.